Hello everyone, this video is intended to be a demonstration on how to install gaps and magisk to Switchroot Android. In case you're not familiar with them, in layman's terms, gaps is a set of Google apps that comes with Android devices and is what you need for Google Play to work. And magisk is the preferred root system, at least at the time of recording. Let's start. Obviously, the first thing you need to do before you follow the steps in this video is installing Switchroot Android to your device and booting to it and getting past the first boot. And after that, what you want to do is you want to either open the browser here or in the application picker right here. Once you open it, the first link we're going to go and download is Open Gaps. For that, we need to go to opengaps.org. And we're going to pick ARM64 because that's what the CPU type switch has. And we're going to pick Android 8.1 because that's the current version that Switchroot Android uses. And here you can pick any variant you want, but I prefer Pico because it's the smallest pack. And if I want anything, I can just install them from Google Play. So I just press this and click download. And as you can see, it's now downloading. While this is downloading, let's go and get magisk. The links will be provided in the video description. So we're gonna search for magisk XDA on our preferred search engine, and we're gonna go to the link that's in this forum. Subforum and in this specific thread that says magisk and then has a version number, the one that's sticky. No. In here, what we want to do is we want to scroll down, click show full post, and then click latest stable, and click download again. And it is just going to download that too. And I'll just cut to the end. Okay, so once both of these are downloaded, what you want to do is you want to hold the power button on your switch and then click restart. And you want to plug in your switch to your PC, get it into RCM, and then inject Hecate without changing micro SD cards or anything. Once you boot into Hecate, what you want to do is you want to pick more configs and then Switchroot Android. Once the Hecate IPL thing moves away, you want to hold the volume up button just like you do when getting into RCM. And this is going to boot us into TWRP instead of Android. TWRP is where we flash the zips just like we do on phones we unlock the boot ROM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick mount, and basically there's a bug and the screen doesn't update unless there's any touches, so like feel free to touch something like this. And what you want to do is you want to mount system and vendor. As you can see, it says it does get stuck, but doesn't really matter. It's going to go back to install. And as we downloaded through Android, it's just going to be in the download folder. Again. And I'm just going to pick Open Gaps first. Add more zips. Magisk. And this is going to flash both magisk and Open Gaps. Once it's done, what we're going to do is press reboot system, which is going to put us back into RCM. So I'm just going to inject the payload again. And again, more configs, Switchroot Android. And once you boot back into Android, when you open the app slider, you will notice two new apps. One of which is the Play Store, and the other is Magisk Manager. Magisk Manager is where you can manage some root related things and do a safety net check. Currently we only get basic. For some reason, yeah, okay. We only get basic, not CTS profile. And Google Play just works as expected. If you haven't logged in, it'll ask you to log in just like you would on a phone or a tablet. And at this point you can just search for anything and then just install it. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Happy hacking, I guess.